People have this misconception that traveling is just somehow going to help them find their true self, and that's just not the case. Traveling will not save you. On the entire time that I've been traveling the world, I've met many people, many high-level people, many just regular average Joes, and the common theme is that traveling does not help you. It doesn't save you. It really just amplifies who you are as a person. So if you're in your hometown right now and you're a loser and you think that by traveling the world you're somehow going to become a winner, that's not the case. You're just going to become even more of a loser and probably end up having to come back home. Because when you're in your hometown, your home country, you're surrounded by the same environment, the same people, the same thoughts. If you're that individual in that environment and then you go to an environment you literally know nobody, and you're having to learn a new language, and you're having to learn a new culture, and all that type of stuff, how's that going to save you? It's not. It's going to make you even more confused. So my recommendation for you is, yes, travel the world. I love traveling the world, but don't do it to save yourself. Do it because you genuinely enjoy doing it. For me, it's a hobby. For you, maybe you just really like seeing like the pyramids of Giza. Maybe you like going to Italy and seeing the Vatican, and you like going to Belgrade, Serbia, and you like go to Morocco. But don't do it to save yourself. Do it because you just want to have fun and enjoy it. And while you're still in your hometown, or even if you're already traveling, you need to work on yourself, because traveling in and of itself is not going to save you. It's not going to make you a better person. It's not going to help you find your life's purpose. It's not going to do any of that. And if you're sitting here watching this video and you're like, oh, Dylan, I don't really know what I want to do or how to even get moving, well, you need to start with the basics. And for me, I'm the type of person, I can't stand complicated things. So I'm just going to break it down simple. You need to get in shape. So get into the gym. You need to start doing push-ups, start doing a consistent workout routine. You need to educate yourself on nutrition. You need to just educate yourself on the basics of life. And then you also need to pick some kind of skill that you can offer to other people, because in today's economy, yes, you can work a regular 9-to-5 job, but I mean, with the way the economy is going and the way the world's just going as a whole, I mean, yeah, you can still buy into that system, but the age of the freelancer and the age of remote working is here, and it's here to stay for a long time. So that's why you need to position yourself to where you have a skill that you can offer through the internet. That's one of the biggest issues I had with my 9-to-5 back in the day, was no matter how much value I was bringing, I was still limited by the time that I was trading. But as a freelancer, you offer a skill in exchange for money. And then the way I show it on this channel and inside of Email List Mastery and Freelancer Profit Manual, inside of HU, is to leverage social media and to leverage formats like I'm making this video for you guys and offering your service that way. So now, instead of being limited to the time that you're trading, now you have access to potentially tens of thousands of people. And you can see how very quickly, I mean, if you can just like sell 2 to 3 of your services to somebody, so now you've got 2 to 3 clients, you could replace your 9-to-5. You could travel the world. It's not that far out there for you. So you need to pick a skill that you can offer to other people. And then next, you need to start working on the relationships in your life. Like if you have a bad relationship with your family or with your friends or with your coworkers, start working on that, because you can't just run from that forever. And I'm not saying you need to just sit there and completely be compliant and whatever with your family. Like, yeah, if they're just complete assholes, then yeah, just ignore them, ghost them. But I can guarantee you that you've got a couple family members that genuinely believe in you and love you, and you need to make sure that you've got a good relationship with them. And then with your friends. In my case, I had quite a few friends, and they weren't on the same wavelength as me, and I literally just cut them out. And when I say cut them out, I'm not saying I literally just sat there and blocked them. I'm still genuine to them. If they reach out to me, I'll respond to them. But you know the day one friends, and those are the friends that you need to bring into your life, because those are the people that they're not there for the money. They're not there for anything. They're the people that have been there since day one. So maybe you only have 2 or 3 actual friends, and that's completely okay. So you need to build that relationship. And then you also need to look at the person in the mirror and be happy and be proud of the person you see in the mirror. If you're not proud of the person you see in the mirror, whether you're in your hometown or you're in Belgrade, Serbia, or wherever you travel to, you're not going to be proud there either. And once again, I want to amplify this message in your mind. If you're not happy and proud of the person you are in your hometown, where you literally have grown up there, you know the people, you have family there, you get the entire environment itself you're familiar with, it's not going to be any better. It's actually going to be far worse if you're in a country you literally know nobody. So I'll end with this. Traveling will not save you. However, you could save yourself. So while you're still in your hometown and you're working on figuring out the skill that you want and working on being able to quit your job and working on being able to retire your mom, you need to work on changing you as a person from the inside. That way, whenever you start traveling the world, you can truly enjoy all of the beauties and all the amazing things that you can have as you're traveling the world. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click right here. Otherwise, make sure to click that subscribe button. That way you can stay on top of all of the latest videos. I'll see you in the next episode.